you very much, everybody. So how's everybody today? Everybody okay there? And then later we're gonna sing. I think we have some cake. We're gonna sing "Happy Birthday" to our birthday celebrant. So now it's time for me to play the saxophone. There's this next song I like to play for you today. Was recorded years ago by Glenn Campbell. Remember Glenn Campbell? He did a lot of wonderful songs back in those days, like Wichita Lineman, and also this next song that I will do for you is one of his very popular recordings. Hope you enjoy this one here. This is a song called "By the Time I Get to Phoenix." It's a very nice number with a beat of it's a nice slow beat, and the saxophone will play.